Hello friends, today we will learn uh, what's the difference between extract and live connection in Tableau and how to make it in Tableau workbook. Let's see. First we can understand first we understand what's the mean of extract connection and what's the mean of live connection. First, extract connection is a snapshot of the data. The extract will need to be refreshed to receive the updates from the original data source, whether it is a local file or an on-premise database. Second one, live connection. Live connection offers the convenience of the real-time updates with any changes in the data source reflected in Tableau worksheet. Let's now we can take one example. First, we can connect one data source, data file, click the Microsoft Excel, and here is one file is Superstore. We can connect to this file in our Tableau database. Yes, looking here is connecting. When we connect the data source, here is showing the table order. You can drag drop to here. When we drag drop to here, you can see the connection mode, live connection mode and extract connection mode. First we will see the live connection mode. What's the mean of live connection? I have already told you. Go to live connection. Here is coming the one dimension part and one measurable part. Dimension part is category and order date, and measurable part quantity sales. Now first we draw the one pivot chart category wise or date wise sale. First we will draw that date wise sale. You can go to more option, customize. Here is according to your month, day and year. See here which type of values. Same this type of values we can show on Tableau worksheet. Here is extract the column here, delete that, stretch the column, month, year. Okay, you can also drag the category. Okay, now we can use the sales of amount device. Okay, this is the sales of amount device. You can just swapping the field. No, this is not a good way, so we can use to no. If we okay, now swap. Now this is a good way looking this chart. Here is showing look, here is showing the date and his sales. So the sales level, here is sales quantity. Okay, according to date showing that sales quantity in live connection. If we end changes in main data source file, here is reflecting live data, so live connection. How it is? Look here. First, you go to data source and add one anything files like ABC. Here is 100. Here is save to this sheet. Now you can go on Tableau live connection. Go to the data order data source. Right click and refresh to here. When you refresh this data source, you can see easily to here. We can add the Feb 2019, or you can change any to 2020. Save it and now refresh again this data source. Look here, this can be, this will be, this changed, this date has been changed. Okay, 19 to 20. That means this report is working on a live database. Now we can understand, now we understand the what's the mean of extract connection. Again, we will go to data source and connect to data extract connection and extract. Here is showing save it. Because extract is always take a snapshot database. Okay, here is showing the extract connection. Okay, main symbol is extract connection is showing the double showing the double database symbol. Look here. Okay, now we can draw the one chart category wise. Sales. Okay, here you can see, this category wise sale. When you see the label, so the sales amount, sales quant sales amount 190, like this category wise. If we add the one more category, it can be reflected in extract file or not, we can see. XY chat. Here is 3 and 21. Here is 10. Here is and here is, you can save this file. Now we can go to Tableau. See the extract connection. On extract connection, you can go and refresh this data. When we refresh the data, it can't be changed any value or any category, because this is the snapshot data, not a live connection of data. When we connect the live connection, it can be changed to this chart on live category or live database source, but it is a extract connection, so it can't be changed. Okay, I hope you understand what's the mean of live connection and extract connection in Tableau. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to this video your friends.